Hi everyone, this is Oguzhan. Welcome to another UiPath tutorial with me. Today we will be learning about browser automation and we will start with installing extensions. Then we will play with browser itself and we will use some basic automation activities on the browser. So let's start with installing the extension. For this tutorial I will be using Edge browser, so that we will try to install Edge extension and after that we will play with Edge browser. So to install the extension I click Home, then Tools, and under the tools there is a tab called UiPath Extensions and I click there and then I will install Edge browser extension here. Let me click install. Okay. UiPath extension for Edge was successfully installed for the current user. So we can start automation on Edge browser. Let me open the Edge browser here and it says enable the extension. Okay, let's make it visible, and as you can see here UiPath extension is activated, installed and activated, so we can start with our automation. Let me close that one. Okay, so before jumping into browser automation, I will start with open and close browser activities. So let's call that one open browser, and basically you need to write the URL that you want to open. Let me type google.com, and then there is an important part which is browser type. You need to specify the browser that you want to work with. So I need to select the Edge browser from the drop down menu, and then we can open browser, click run file. As you can see here we have opened the browser. So if I run it again, it will open another browser, as you can see here, and it is like this, not full screen. So to solve that issue we can add maximize window activity, which helps us to maximize the window. So let's run it again. As you see here it is maximize full screen mode, and we have opened three browsers separately. As we need to manage those browsers separately, we should use close tab activity. So to be able to close browser, let me type browser, we need to use close tab activity inside the open browser. So close all that, click run. It will open, then close the browser and close the browser. There is no opened browser or a browser session, Edge browser session, as you can see. We can continue with type into activity. Let's type something and search on the Google. Type into, sorry, that one. Maximize, type into where. Let's open our browser, UiPath, and then enter. We will search for UiPath. So type here UiPath and then indicate on screen, click. Then we can send hotkey so that we can send enter button. Let's choose that one, enter here. Then simply we will type UiPath, then for the search we will send enter hotkey to the browser. So let's disable that one for a minute and try to run our automation. As you can see here, we have typed UiPath and searched that on the Google. So we have basically used that also in our browser automation. So what else can we do with browsers? Let's type navigate. If you want to go another site without opening new browser, you can use navigate activity. So if I take it here and if I type uipath.com, it will open browser, go to google.com and then type UiPath, send enter hotkey and then navigate to uipath.com. Let's see that. Okay, still processing. Yeah, as you can see here, we are in the uipath.com website. So we have finished our introduction for the browser automation. Hopefully it will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Bye for now.